let this is our first start node, okay? And from the start node, the first node is connected, data part and the link part. Next, at the second node, the link part is also connected with the third node, 3, okay? And let this is the last node, the fourth node. This is the fourth node, okay? So in case of single linked list, in case of single linked list, the pointer part or next part of the last node is made null, okay? But in case of circular linked list, in case of circular linked list, the last node is connected with the first node, okay? So the last node is connected with the data part of the first node. So this is the circular linked list. In a circular linked list, the last node contains a pointer to the first node of the list, okay? Now we can have a circular linked list as well as a circular double linked list. Circular single linked list is there and circular double linked list is also there. While traversing a circular linked list, we can begin at any node and traverse the list in any direction, forward, backward, okay? Until we reach the same node where we have started, okay? So this is an example of circular linked list. Now, in circular linked list, we have to circular linked list. We have to insert element at beginning, at beginning, at end, at any specified location, at any specified location. Similarly, delete, delete, delete an element from beginning, okay, from end, from beginning, from end, and at any specified location. So today we have to do this works, okay? So suppose this is the circular linked list. Now you have to add, you have to add 5. You have to add 5 at the beginning. What should we do? What should we do? Any idea? Anyone, please. সব চুপচাপ। Shirin,
Yes, sir.
what should we do?
Sir, like we can create a new node at the beginning that
Okay,
points to the like.
so so we have to create a new node. Okay, so you have to create a new node. So at the beginning, so insert an element at the beginning. Insert an element. 1 second. At beginning. So we have to create a new node. We have to create a new node. So if available space is null, if available space is null, then write overflow. Okay. If avail is null, then write overflow. Otherwise, otherwise, new node, new node is avail, and next avail is avail next. Okay. What will be the next part?
Sir, point the new node to the like previously first node, like
First,
which
you have
was
to
one of
insert.
the
First,
at
you
the
have to
first.
insert the value at the
Yes.
data part of the new node, newly created node. So here we are adding this 5. So we have to add this. So new node data, new node data is your value. Next, next what should we do? So 5 is inserted at the data part.
Sir, pointed to one, like which was the previous node before.
Pointed to 1. Okay. Next.
And since it is a circular list, make it point to the last node also. So it will be a circular list that way.
So this one is broken
Yes.
and
And create a new link from 5 to 4.
4 to 5.
Yes, yes, 4 to 5.
4 to 5. Okay. So so new node the value is inserted. The value is inserted. Okay. What will be the next line? The next line is you have to insert this particular 5, this newly created node. You have to insert this newly created node in between in between this 4 and this one, right? You have to insert this newly created 5 node, this newly created node between this first node 1 and last node 4. Why? Because this is a circular linked list. Okay. So you have to create this connection 5 to 1 and 4 to 5. Okay. So first of all, you have to traverse the linked list starting from the head node to the last node so that you can get the last node. Okay. So here initialize with ptr with start. Okay. Next, while while your while your ptr arrow ptr arrow next ptr arrow next not is equal to null, that is you are not in the, sorry, Is it null?
No, sir, not null because it is circular. If it would be
So,
single, it would be null. It will be the front node, head node.
so it will be the front node. So it will be the start. So unless and until PTR arrow next not is equal to start. Okay. So you are at the last node. So unless then you have to forward your pointer. So how to forward? So forward is PTR is equal to PTR arrow next, right? Up to this clear? So you are at the last node. So you forward your pointer PTR. Forward your pointer PTR. Okay. Now এবার কি করব বলো তো? Now so you are at the last node. You are at the last node. Now you are at the last node. After completion of the loop, while loop, you are at the last node and your newly created node is already there and the value is inserted 5. Now you have to create this link 5 to 1. You have to create this link 5 to 1. So create this link. How to write this link? New node. New node next. New node next is start. At the same time, your PTR, your PTR next. Your PTR next is the new node. New node. Okay. Anything else? Up to this, is there any problem? কারোর কোনো প্রবলেম হচ্ছে বুঝতে?
No, sir.
Is it complete? Or
No,
should
sir,
I
you have to connect
should
the
I
last node to the front node also. So it will make it
it
circular.
is already there. It is already there. A new node next is the start node. So
Mm.
your 5 is
It's connected to 1.
connected, sorry, connected to 1. Your 5 is connected to 1 in your example, and here, sorry, uh, here your 4 is connected to 5. Anything else? Snigdhadev, please unmute yourself. আচ্ছা রাজদীপ, এর সাথে কোনোদিন আলাপই হলো না। রাজদীপ 9085,
Yes, sir.
কি করব এবার বলো? এটা কি কমপ্লিট হয়েছে না আরো কিছু নিতে হবে?
1 minute, sir.
কি করব বলতে পারবে না? এনিওয়ান?
স্যার এবারে তো নিউ নোটটাকে স্টার্টের সাথে ইকুয়াল করে দিতে হবে, তাহলেই তো
সো স্টার্ট, কে বললো এটা?
স্যার আমি
আমিটা কে? নিউ নোড, আমি দেখতে পাইনি কে বলেছে। So start is new node. Okay. So this is the algorithm for inserting at the beginning. Inserting at the beginning. This is the algorithm. Okay. Now at the end, insert the element insert the element at end. Insert element at end. How to write? Shubham 9082.
Yes, sir.
একবার বলো তো, একবার কোডটা আমাকে দেখাও তো, শো করো তো সবাইকে স্ক্রিনটা ইয়ে করে প্রেজেন্ট করে।
Which code, sir?
এই যে ইনসার্ট এট দ্য এন্ড অ্যালগরিদমটা। পারবে? পারবে কি?
No, sir.
কে পারবে? স্নেহা, ক্যান ইউ ডু দ্যাট?
Sir, I have a question.
ইয়েস।
Sir, in circular linked list, how can we specify the beginning and end? Because all are connected to each other, no?
All are connected to each other, okay? So there is no specific end and no specific start node, okay? So you are given the suppose you are given this structure 1 2 3 and 4, okay? You are given this structure 1 2 3 4. Now you are asked write a program to add 5 at the front of the linked list. So at the front of the linked list, that is the new list should looks like this one. So 5 5 next one, 5 next one, up to there will be last node is 4, and this 4 is connected to the 5, okay? So there is no specific front, no specific end. It is a very good question. There is no specific front and no specific end circular linked list. Now how to add the last node? How to add at the last node? Quite similar to the adding at the
Beginning.
front beginning. পারবে কেউ করতে? স্ক্রিন শেয়ার করবে কেউ? শিরিন স্ক্রিন শেয়ার করতে পারবে?
Sir, actually, I'm from my phone, not from laptop.
ল্যাপটপে কে আছে? স্নেহা?
Sir,
No, sir.
কেউ পারবে না? একটু চেষ্টাও করবে না? সব বলে দিতে হবে? So insertion at the end. So initial codes are same. If your available free space is null, then overflow. Otherwise, do something that is new node is avail and avail next is avail next. Okay. Avail is avail next. Up to this, any problem? Next, your new node data is value. Your new node data is the value, and the new node next. New node next is the start node. Okay. Now you have to traverse the whole linked list. So start is next. Start and PTR are at the same location, same position. Your PTR, your pointer, temporary pointer that are used for traversing the linked list is set at pointer as head node. So while you are not at the last node, so the code is PTR next. PTR next not is equal to you are at the last node. As this is the circular, so this will be start. So you have to traverse PTR is equal to PTR arrow next. PTR arrow next. Okay. Next PTR arrow next is your new node. Simple program. Insert at the end, insert at the beginning. Is it clear to you? Insert at the end, insert at the beginning.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you give a real life example of circular linked list? জানো কোনো real life example? When we are surfing the internet, we can use the backward and forward, back button and forward button. Okay. That is a real life example of circular linked list. Okay. This circular linked list is used to maintain the sequence of web page that are visited. This is the real life example of one example of circular linked list. Now, how to delete? How to delete?
Sir, sir, one more thing. At last, we don't have to mention, I mean, we don't have to connect it with the starting node.
Where?
Insert element at the end of this algorithm. We don't have to connect it at the starting node.
This is the end node. Starting node is the starting node.
No, I am asking that we don't have to connect this node to the starting node.
Here, new node next is start. Okay. That is, new node is created. The new node is created and new node is connected with the start node. Okay. So last node,
Oh.
actually your last node is the new node. So that new node next, and as this is the circular, new node next is the start. If this is a single linked list, then new node next is null. New node next is start for circular linked list. Now you have to traverse until PTR. You have to traverse until the last node, that is PTR next not is equal to start. Then you have to just add the last node with the new node. 1 second. Suppose this is the start. This is the start node, and this is your first node. This is connected with the second node. This is our last node 3. This is our last node. So as this is the circular, so there is a connection between this and this. As this is the circular, this must be connected. 3 and 1 must be connected. Now you have to insert you have to insert this 5 at the last one. So at the last one means between 1 and between 3, right? So first create a link between 5 and 1. That is new node next is start. Okay. Then traverse from first to last. What is the last? What is the last? You have to find this connection. You have to find this connection, that is 3. The next part of the last node is pointing to the first node. So PTR arrow next, not is equal to your start. Then only you can get the last node. Then PTR next is the new next. PTR next is the new node. So delete this connection and make a connection between this and this. Is it clear, Suraj?
Yes, sir.
Okay. এবার end, sorry, এবার delete করব. So insert element at the beginning, insert, okay, delete an element from beginning. Delete an element from beginning. How to delete an element from the beginning? What will be the logic? What will be the logic? If first one is if your start is equal to null. If your start is null, that is underflow, empty. It is already empty. The list is already empty. So how we can delete a node from an empty list? So that's why underflow. Otherwise PTR start. You have a delete করবো বলো তো? First node. Let the list is 1, 2, 3, 5. We have to delete this one. We have to delete the first node 1. So for deletion, we have to use this free. We have to use this free, that is free PTR. If we use this temporary pointer for traversing the whole array, then free PTR is the only way for deletion a particular node. So PTR is start. Okay. এবার ডিলিটটা কিভাবে করব, এই আইডিয়াটা কেউ আমায় বলবে? Any idea how to delete? That is how to delete the links. That's enough. কিভাবে করব বলো তো?
স্যার
Yes.
হ্যাঁ বলছি এটা
One
যেমন
hint
লাস্ট
is that one hint is that
যেখানে
set PTR
অ্যাড্রেসটা যেখানে
as
নাল
the
করে দেবো,
start. কোনটা কোথায়?
যেখানে যেটা পিটিএটা কানেক্টেড আছে অ্যাড্রেসের, যেই লাস্ট লিংকের সাথে পিটিএটা কানেক্টেড আছে অ্যাড্রেসে, সেই জায়গাটা লিংক করে দেবো ওই অ্যাড্রেসের জায়গাটা, মানে নাল করে
তুমি
দেবো। সরি,
পিকচারটা দেখতে পাচ্ছ? পিকচারটা দেখতে পাচ্ছ?
হুম হুম
1
Yes,
2 3 5 1 2 3 5.
হ্যাঁ
My question is
সঙ্গে
that
5টা কানেক্টেড
delete
আছে,
one. হ্যাঁ আছে।
ডিলিট 1,
আমি তো বললাম delete one. হ্যাঁ
ইয়েস স্যার, ডিলিট 1। তাহলে 2 এর যে অ্যাড্রেসটা আছে, 2 এর যে অ্যাড্রেসটা সেটা
হ্যাঁ
রুটে, মানে
কি করবো?
এখানে ফার্স্টে যেটা পিটিআর এ নিয়ে যাবো আর 1 এরটা লিংক করে দেবো, 1 এর অ্যাড্রেসে নাল করে দেবো, তাহলে 1 তো এমনি মানে ডিলিটেড হয়ে গেল ওখান দিয়ে, ফ্রি করে দেবো
আচ্ছা
তোমার
ওয়ান,
ওয়ানটাকে।
তোমাকে নাল নিয়ে ভাবতে হবে না, নালের ব্যাপারটা আলাদা। আমি তো বলে দিলাম ফ্রি পিটিআর করলে হয়ে যাবে, মানে
হ্যাঁ
ওখানে আর নাল টাল কিছু করতে হবে না, ফ্রি পিটিআর করলেই হবে। আমাকে বলো যে লিঙ্কটা কিভাবে আমি রিকনফার্ট করবো।
আচ্ছা, তাহলে এখানে পিটিআর পিটিআর ইকুয়ালস টু মানে 2 এর 2 আর কি, পিটিআর ইকুয়ালস টু 2 যেটা আর কি এখানে আছে।
কেন টু হবে?
কারণ আমি 2 এর অ্যাড্রেসটা ওখানে নিয়ে যাব, তারপরে তো আমি আমার মানে 1 এর সঙ্গে কানেকশনটা মানে হবে থাকবে না, তখন তো ওটা গিয়ে আমি ডিলিট করতে পারবো।
থাকবে না, কিন্তু এটা সার্কুলার, এটাও মাথায় রাখতে হবে। কি করবে তাহলে?
আহ
সার্কুলার মানে কি?
সার্কুলার মানে একটা করে সাথে কানেক্টেড, সেই জায়গাটা বুঝতে পারছি।
একটা সাথে আর একটা কানেক্টেড না, লাস্ট ওয়ান ইজ কানেক্টেড টু দ্য ফার্স্ট ওয়ান।
হ্যাঁ স্যার, তাহলে স্যার একটু ভাবি দাঁড়ান।
ভাবার কি আছে?
Sir, we can do one thing.
স্নেহা,
Uh,
ইয়েস।
Sir, we can
করবো?
just,
সুরজ
sir,
বলতে
we
বলতে
can
থেমে
just,
গেলি।
yes, sir, we can just store the address of 2 at the info of the 5, right? I mean, the second part of 5, in which the
ওকে, দেন
address of 2 is stored. Then automatically, when we will move in the list, it will start, I mean,
কোথায় স্টোর
after
করবো?
5,
আমি আমি কোথায় স্টোর করবো? এই যে টু স্টোর করতে বলছে, কোথায় করবো? ওয়্যার?
in the info part of 5, I mean, in the info part of new node, address part, I mean.
So basically the info part or next part of last node is pointing to the address part of the second node. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay, then free ptr, so if ptr, if the logic is actually, the logic is ptr is starting from the first node. Okay, ptr is starting from the first node unless and until you are at the last node, proceed. So what will be the logic? What will be the condition? So while ptr arrow next not is equal to start, this is circular, not the single linked list. That's why ptr arrow next not is equal to start. Okay, so you are at the last node. While ptr arrow next not is equal to start, proceed, that is ptr is equal to ptr next. Okay, then end that particular while loop. Next, ptr arrow next, so you are at the last node, 5. So ptr arrow next is equals to start arrow next, then free start. How to write? So ptr is equal to start. Okay, so ptr is equal to start. Now you have to traverse. So while ptr কি হচ্ছে এটা, ptr arrow next, ptr arrow next, while ptr arrow next not is equal to start, while ptr arrow next not is equal to start, so we have to proceed. So ptr is equal to ptr next. We proceed our pointer. Now we are at the last node. So at the last node, ptr next, ptr next is pointing to the, we want to remove the first node. So ptr arrow next, so this 5, so this 5, the second part of the 5, that is info part, as per Suraj, this info part is must be connected to the 2. What is 2? This is the connected part of the first node. So start arrow next, so this should be start arrow next. Okay, now your start is free, so free start. start. One thing is that is your now start is the PTR next. Up to this, any problem? Are you getting this? Shumon 9059057. Up to this, any problem?
হ্যালো স্যার
How to deal? হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ বলো।
স্যার বলছি ওই ফ্রি স্টার্টের ওই জায়গাটা একটু বলবেন?
এই তো এটা কি আবার নতুন করে ড্র করতে হবে আরেকবার? Let this is your S, the starting node, that is header or start, and this is your first node 1. This is your second node 2. Next, this is the third node, okay, and the last node is let 5. The last node is 5. Now as this is the circular, so last node's info part always connected to the address of the first part, okay. এখন বলছি 1 কে ডিলিট করতে বললাম, তাহলে 1 কে ডিলিট করতে গেলে কি করতে হবে? So we have to add, as this is the circular, so we have to add this link. We have to add this link. Before that, we have to traverse from first to last node. Before adding this link, before adding this particular link, we have to traverse up to the last one. So this is the code for initially PTR start while you are not at the last node, that is PTR arrow next not is equal to start. So proceed. Now PTR arrow next is the start arrow next. So what is the start arrow next? This node is your start, first node is your start. So start arrow next is actually this node, second node, okay. So PTR arrow next, now at the last node there is your PTR. So PTR arrow next, so this part, the info part, so this info part must be connected with the second node. What is second node? Second node is the start arrow next. Start arrow next. Second node is the start arrow next. So we can connect this info part of the last node with the address part of the second node, okay. That's why info part of the last node, so PTR arrow next is now becomes the start arrow next, that is the second node. Here connection is made between the last node and the second node, okay. The connection is made between the last node and the second node. Now the connection is made, so 2, from 2 we can get 3, from 3 we can get 5, from 5 we can get again 2. The connection is made. Now we have to delete the first node. Don't need to break this link, rather free PTR, free start, as S is the pointing to the first node, so free start, that is delete the first node, that is the start node. Okay. Now, what will be the next start? What will be the next start? What will be the next start? Your next start is the 2, that is 2, second node, second node. That's why what is second node? PTR arrow next is the second node. So PTR start is equal to PTR arrow next. যে কোশ্চেন করেছিল সে বুঝতে পেরেছো?
ইয়েস স্যার বুঝেছি।
ওকে, এবার বলো তো দেখি যে কে কোশ্চেন করেছিল কে?
স্যার আমি
আমিটা কে? আমি তো সে তখন থেকে বুঝতে পারছি। ও তনুশ্রী, আচ্ছা
না না স্যার সোমশ্রী সোমশ্রী।
আচ্ছা সমশ্রী। আচ্ছা এবার বলো তো লাস্টের এলিমেন্টটা কিভাবে ডিলিট করবো?
স্যার তখন লাস্টের আগের এলিমেন্টটার
এটা
সাথে
তুমি বলো তো লাস্ট এলিমেন্ট।
স্যার তখন লাস্টের আগের এলিমেন্টটার সাথে ফার্স্ট এলিমেন্টটাকে লিংক করতে হবে।
হুম,
তো ফার্স্টে তো
লাস্টের আগের এলিমেন্টের সাথে আমি বলছি যে লাস্ট এলিমেন্ট দাঁড়াও। মনে করো সাপোজ দ্য লিস্ট ইজ this is the start, this is your first node, from the first node we get the second node, let this is the last node. Okay, so from S there is a pointer to the first node, and from 3, as this is the circular, there is a pointer from 3 to 1. Now we are interested for deletion of this 3. এবার কি করব? কি করতে হবে তাহলে? সব চুপচাপ। সুরাজ,
Yes, sir.
কি করব?
Sir, we will just we will do as we done in the beginning, but we will do a thing that we will connect. Sorry, we have to delete the last element, right? Then we will
Yes, 3.
store the address of 1 in the info part of 2. When we will counter the last node, we will just write that what PTR next will be the start next. Sorry, start. When we will counter 3, we will directly
So
write
2,
PTR next. Yeah.
so from 2, from 2 there will be a connection, from 2 there will be a connection to 1. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and then delete this last
3.
node. So how to write? So if start is null, then underflow. Start is null, then underflow, and PTR is start. PTR is start, and let PPTR is PTR. Let us assume pre-PTR is PTR. So initially pre-PTR, PTR start both are same initially. Both are pointing to the first node, that is node number 1. Node with data part 1. Okay. Now you have to move up to the last. So what is the condition? While your PTR arrow next, not is equal to start. So you are at the last one. You have to proceed we have to proceed. So before proceed, PPTR is equal to PTR, copy the advanced node, advanced pointer to the previous one. So pre-PTR, so just copy. And the next one is the PTR. PTR is PTR arrow next. PTR is PTR arrow next. Okay, up to this, you are at the last one. Now, very easy. Pre-PTR arrow, pre-PTR arrow next. PPTR arrow next is start. So the connection is made. Now the connection is made from 2 to 1. That is pre-PTR. This is the pre-PTR PP, pre-PTR, and this is the PTR P. So your PTR is now at the last point, last node, where you can get the PTR arrow next is the start one. This is the condition. So before doing that, before going to the last node, we have to copy simultaneously the PTR to the pre-PTR. Next, pre-PTR is info part, or next part of the pre-PTR is now linked with the start node. Now you can safely remove the last node, PTR. So pre-PTR, and as this is the last node deletion, there will be no initialization for start. Okay, is it clear to you? Delete an element from the end. Up to this, any problem?
No, sir.
Okay, so this is the circular linked list. Now, how to insert an element at any specified location and how to delete from any specified location. এটা আমাকে করে দেখাতে হবে। কে করে দেখাবে বলো? সুরাজ করে দেখাতে পারবে? উহিনী, সুরাজ?
I'm not using laptop right now.
কেউ তো আজকে সবার অ্যান্সার হবে, আমরা কেউ ল্যাপটপ ইউজ করছি না। উহিনী ল্যাপটপ ইউজ করছো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার, বাট আমি সার্কুলার লিংক লিস্টে কনফিডেন্ট না, তো আমি জানি না অত কিছু, কতটা সিঙ্গেল লিংক লিস্ট পারবো।
আরে তুমি করো না সার্কুলার লিংক লিস্ট, অত ভাবার কি আছে?
স্যার আপনার, আমি কিন্তু কিচ্ছু জানি না ওটার বিষয়ে, সিরিয়াসলি বলছি স্যার, আমাকে এখন অনেক প্র্যাকটিস করতে হবে, তারপরে প্রেজেন্ট করতে পারবো কিছু।
তুমি এইটা বুঝেছো? এই চারটে অ্যালগরিদম বুঝতে পেরেছো কি? এই চারটে অ্যালগরিদম বুঝতে পেরেছো? Am I audible?
বলছি স্যার বুঝেছি, বাট এত তাড়াতাড়ি আমি ভিজুয়ালাইজ করতে পারি না, একটু টাইম লাগে আমার।
আরে deletion or insertion at any specified location is quite similar to the single link list. এখানে কি ডাবল পয়েন্টার আছে নাকি যে ডাবল পয়েন্টার লাগবে? Insertion, deletion at any specified location is quite similar to the single link list. Single link লিস্টের মতন হবে না? হবে কি হবে না আগে সেটা বলো।
বাট স্যার ডিলিশনের ওই লুপ ব্রেকিংটা আমি পারবো না।
কোথায় লুপ ব্রেকিং আছে বলো ডিলিশনে?
ফার্স্ট থেকে লাস্টের
সিঙ্গেল
যেটা।
লিংক ফার্স্ট থেকে লাস্ট, আমি তো মিডল বলছি, আমি তো ফার্স্ট থেকে লাস্ট বলছি না, ফার্স্ট আর লাস্ট বলছি না।
পারবো না স্যার।
তাহলে আর কি করা যাবে? আর কেউ পারবে? এনিওয়ান? So these are your today's assignments. Insert at the beginning, at the end, at any specified location. Delete an element from the beginning, end, at any specified location. Okay, দেবাশিস দা আসো নাকি?